Yesterday you went on a scavenger hunt looking for leaves of certain trees that grow around here, and then also they're beginning to change colors. So we're starting to look for different colors of leaves. Now, try to find at least one of each type of tree leaf. That's important for something that's happening later on this week. So keep going on scavenger hunts. Make sure you go with an adult. Don't go by yourself. And remember how I showed you to press those to save them. So they'll work a lot better for what we're going to be doing later on with them. But right now, we're going to do a little experiment on the leaf. But we need to learn something about the leaf to understand what is happening in the experiment. So I've got a leaf right here, and I'm sharing that. And I've got these little cards. So I'm going to lay down the card, and then we're going to actually look at those body parts of a leaf, the parts of a leaf that are shown in this card. So right here, this one's actually showing two parts. It's showing the petiole. Whoops, I don't mean to move the card. Comes up here, and it's right here where this part, which is the stem connects to the actual leaf part of it. And this is what moves water from the branches of the tree into the leaf. So right here, it's real apparent. You can see the stem. The petiole is more visible on the back side. It's just a little bit of a thicker part, and it almost looks like a lighter color green where that stem is connecting to the leaf. We'll keep it on the back side because the other parts of this leaf make it real easy to see on the back side. The next thing we're going to look at is what's called the blade. The blade is the wide, flat part of the leaf. So like this is a wide, flat part, and it contains food-making cells. So blade, this is the blade of the leaf, the flat part. Okay, just like we call it a blade of grass, we can call it a blade of a leaf. Then we have the tip, and those are what's pointing up here at the end. We kind of know like a tip of a pencil. Here's a tip of a leaf. See, I'm using the tip of my pencil to point. Well, I could use the tip of the leaf to point to the tip of the pencil. It's the outer edge of the leaf. Then we have the part called the midrib. This is the main vein on the leaf. It's running down the center of the blade from the stem to the tip, and it's a little bit bigger. And I know you can't feel it, but if you get a leaf and you run your finger across that, it's raised up. You know how you got veins in your skin? Look at my veins. See how they're running off there? And all these veins right here are bringing oxygen through the blood to all the parts of my body. Well, this midrib's like a main vein bringing the water nutrients to this leaf. And then from that main midrib vein are more veins, smaller veins that support the leaf and transports the minerals, water, and food. So you got this midrib, and then if you look, you can see all these veins coming off of it, and then even smaller ones coming from that. And then I'm going to pick it up and move it closer. And when it focuses, you can actually see all these other little lines, all these smaller veins going all through the leaf, bringing that water, minerals, and nutrients to all parts of the leaf, keeping it alive. Okay, so now I'm going to go to sharing with the computer screen at your seesaw activity. So you've clicked on the video, and here is another diagram with labels of the different parts of a leaf. The only thing it's not showing here is the stem. It's not labeling the stem. It's labeling the petiole, a vein right here, the midrib going up through here, one of the tips, and a blade, the blade of the leaf. So I've got right here, keep going on that leaf scavenger hunts. If you need more leaves, keep on going. Don't let it be stopped just that one day. But the next thing you're going to do is come over here and click on this leaf, and it will take you to the next page where the directions are. Move the labels to identify the parts of a leaf. So you have the labels over here, and you're going to put them where they belong in the diagram. And if you're having trouble, jump back here and take a look here. This is a photo of a leaf, and this is a drawing, an illustration, but it's all in the same places. So that is what you have for today. And remember, keep going on the scavenger hunts and have those leaves pressed, because starting tomorrow, we've got our next activity using those leaves you find. So I can't wait for you to do that. And knowing this, parts of the leaf is going to help what's happening the rest of this. So have a good day, and I will see you tomorrow for our activity with those leaves. See you tomorrow. Bye.